the sexy photos of, bikini photos of May Mendoza is all over the net. What's your reaction to that?
Kasi si May, whenever she's nasa beaches, andun yung ano niya eh, kumbaga nandun yung comfort zone eh. So, kahit ako nagulat, and hindi ko in-expect na she would post a sexy photo of her. Pero I really
Nagulat lang ate. She's very sexy.
Yeah. So, ako po, parang if she's happy, you know, when she's happy sa when in everything that she does, I'm very supportive naman of her. Hindi ko siya pinipigilan when it comes to that.
Did you call her already when you arrived here in Houston? Did you text her na, hey, nandito na ako? Did you text her or call?
Not yet po eh, kasi she's very busy pa po as of the moment kasi kaka-open lang po nila ng McDonald's branch. And so far, kita naman po natin na sobrang ganda ng reception ng restaurant. So I'm very happy that everything's going well.